Hey folks, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install Windows Terminal using Windows Microsoft Store. So first go to the Microsoft Store and search for Terminal, and you can see there are like a bunch of terminals. So I select this one and click install. So you can see now it installed. Now if I go to it, you can see it opens like this. So if I compare this to command prompt, Windows Terminal is much more better than the command prompt, and I can open other shells in here as well, like Windows PowerShell, command prompt, and also Cloud Shell. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and like the video. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. See you in the next video.